Display Form Entries is a WordPress plugin that allows you to display Gravity form submissions directly on the front end of your website using flexible layouts and powerful customization options. In this video, we'll show you how to enable front-end editing, display edit links, and allow users to update their entries directly from the entry view. Let's get started. First, go back to the admin page and select the Display Form Entries block. Under the Content tab, you'll find an option called Show Edit Links. Enable this option. Now, save the page. Next, refresh the front end. You can now see the edit icon displayed on the front end. Click on it. Here, I can edit the entry. I'm going to add some test text and then click Submit. You can now see the name has been updated successfully. You can also edit the entry again if needed. I'll update it one more time and click Submit. Now the entry has been restored back to the previous value. You can also deactivate or hide this option if you do not want to show the edit icon on the front end. Finally, save the page. Thanks for watching. Display Form Entries makes it easy to display, manage, and customize Gravity form submissions on the front end of your WordPress website without custom development. To learn more about the plugin, explore additional features, or get started today, check out the link in the description below.